Hey, welcome back to my channel. You can see I am being bombarded by pop vinyls. I'm going to be doing another unboxing. I'm excited. I don't know what's in this box. I'm thinking it's predominantly Marvel Pops. Marvel Pops? Okay, cool.
I think so.
You think so?
Could
Okay.
be a mixture of two.
Could be the mix DC and Marvel?
Possibly.
Okay, cool. I'm looking forward to opening this. So, here I go. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Look who I got involved today.
Yeah.
So I'm going to get Anthony to open some of the boxes. So first one I wanted him to show was the one in the plastic bag. This is the first place we went to. This is called Stack the Cards, and it's in North Coburg. Do you want to just show the business thing, the business card that's in the...
Yeah.
Yes, so... Yeah, Stack the Cards. I like their business cards. Pretty cool. Hi, Ali. She's getting involved in it too. Okay, so this is the pop vinyl I bought. This only cost me $13.95, and it's the scented swamp thing. It does, it bloody stinks. I open it up, but when it says scented, it doesn't smell very nice. So that's unboxed, and that's what we got from Stack the Cards today. And I'm just going to get him to open the first Go Figure box. And like I was saying before, I have no idea what's in this. Could be anything. Hey, Ali, enjoying your lick?
The first one is...
Who we got?
AC.
Oh, that's awesome.
Angus Young.
Cool. That's a cool one. Angus Young. Cool.
The second one is an old one.
So Civil War, Black Widow. This is pretty cool. Sorry for the reflection. I am going to properly unbox these once Anthony's taken them out. So if you just take them out and place them on the floor neatly in front of you, then I can video it as you're doing it.
Here's another one.
Yep. So this is our cat, Alley Cat, as well. I've got involved in the video, which is pretty cool. Katia! That's my one, that's for sure. From RuPaul's Drag Race. She's awesome. He-Man Masters of the Universe, but I can't say what pop it is.
Skeletor.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Another Angus Young one.
That's pretty cool too.
A Batman Who Laughs.
Okay, that's really kind of creepy looking. So is that from a movie, that one? Or just I think that's from a comic, yeah?
Yeah, it's just from one of the Batman comics.
Yeah, it's creepy.
Toxin.
Yep.
One of the many Venom characters.
Cool. I think Ali likes the Swamp Thing one. She must like the smell of it. Weirdo.
Brian May from Queen.
Yes! Woo-hoo!
And
I love Brian May.
the last one from this one is
Roger Taylor. I'm in love with my car. I always think of that now from the movie. I'm in love with my car. Last box. Wow, this is a lot. Sorry, I'm just bumping into the door, folks, if you're just wondering what I'm doing.
Second bag.
Yep.
If I can open it.
She's a fluff.
Oh, it's a good one.
That's a good one, is it?
Well, for me anyway.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, Anthony's the one that predominantly collects like DC and Marvel. I'm not really that into it, but yeah, he loves it.
It's one of the Chrome Batmans that sold out
Yeah,
really
and
fast.
I wish people would stop doing this. This is one of my pet hates. I was discussing it with Anthony earlier.
It's in plastic. So
Yeah, but it doesn't matter. It annoys me. Please stop putting price tags on. It's like a pet hate of mine. I know how to take them off. You use a hairdryer. I learned that from another YouTuber, which is pretty cool.
It's a DC character called Plastic Man.
Do you know anything about Plastic
really.
Man? Okay, at least you're honest. So if anyone knows anything about Plastic Man, please enlighten us. We'd like to learn more about kind of the DC, Marvel characters, because I know nothing, but Anthony knows a little bit about them. What's this one?
They've put the pop in the wrong way.
What the?
So
No.
it's upside down.
Is that for real? What the? No, I'm going to sound really dumb. Is that meant to be like that?
No, I don't. I don't think so. If it is, that's strange.
Doctor Strange.
Literally strange.
How many of these are going to be gold now?
I think they're all
Bloody
all
gold ones. So Ant-Man with a price tag. Go away, price tags.
Harley Quinn.
Oh, see, I love glitter pops. Not everyone likes them, but I think they're really cute.
Gamora.
Do you know much about Gamora?
She's from the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Cool.
And I think she was the daughter, maybe not, of Thanos.
Thanos, okay. This is all guesses, folks.
Yeah. Oh.
Did you get doubles? And this one's up the right way around?
Yeah. I'll take the other one back tomorrow and get a refund.
My pop was placed the wrong way around.
Thor in gold.
Yep, more gold. DC and Marvel. Why?
Iron Spider in gold. Spider-Man.
Yep.
Black Panther.
Yep.
In gold.
A hell of a lot of gold. Yep.
And last but not least, extended outside.
The packaging. So this is all from Go Figure, except for the Swamp Thing pop, which is from Stack the Cards. So Anthony's now opening the last one. The last one. What one is it? Oh, Rocket! I know where he's from. He's from Guardian of the Galaxy, so that's something I do know. Thank you, Anthony, for doing my unboxing. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to open a couple of these. And then I'm going to show you what they look like out of the box. Cool. So these are the ones we're going to unbox. So
Recommended.
He really doesn't want me to. He doesn't want to use the box cutter to open them. There's a trick of opening them without wrecking it, and I've seen it online. I can do it, but I'll tell you why I don't want to get my hands online. I hate my hands. Anthony has, like, really nice hands. Alrighty, so he's going to open the Swamp Thing.
Which stinks.
It does. And it doesn't say it on there. It says it's scented. So I'll just show you that on the box. It says scented. That Can you just turn the box around? Sorry. Just so I can see the back of the box. Just so the lovely people can see the back of the box. So that's the other pops you can get in that collection.
DC.
All DC ones. Alrighty, so do you want to hold him up?
There he is. The
Yeah.
little
Green thing. Turn him around. Yep. So he's an official Funko Pop. And do you want to have a smell of him? Okay, so let's put Swamp Thing on the table.
On the table.
Yeah.
Back in its box where it belongs.
Yeah, you're hilarious. All right, so which one are you going to open next?
Roger Taylor.
From Queen. Best drummer. Love him. I'm in love with my car.
It's your fault if I rip it.
Yeah, you're not going to rip it. I trust. Oh, come on. Come on. I trust you. I trust you.
Here's the back of the box.
Thank you.
With the other Queen.
Yeah, and we're yet to get John Deacon and the
Gold Freddy.
The one from Wembley, not the Gold Freddy.
No.
Well, he is in yellow, but yeah, it's the Wembley, the well-known concert outfits. We've already got the Masquerade one. So this is Roger Taylor. He's got
a huge head of hair.
Look at that hair. I like how he's got like sleepy eyes as well. That's really cool. Can you just put him up to the front again, please?
Bobblehead? No.
No, he's not a bobblehead. Thank you. That's really cute. Thank you. He's got sleepy eyes like someone else.
Piss off. No, it'll be fine. Last one.
Yeah, go on. I'll just have to mute the audio.
Katia.
Yeah, this is Katia. She's from RuPaul's Drag Race. So we've gone for like a real complete mix here. Oh, look how nice and precise you opened that box. Should I make a pun there? A double entendre? Nah, let's not.
Just racking the plastic inside.
Yeah, gentle does it, because this one's mine. Also, is the Roger Taylor one, but anyways.
Here's the back of the box.
Box, cool. So, like, she's Russian-based drag queen that was on RuPaul's Drag Race. She did the best snatch game when she played Bjork. That was one of my absolute favourites when she does the poppings. Cute boots. Can you face her forward, please? Thank you. Turn her around.
Also big head of hair.
Yeah, it's like, because we don't really open them. We don't really know. See, now he's like enthralled looking at it. No, put it on the table with the other ones.
I don't think she's going to know yet. She does.
Does she have a stand? Some of them have stands because if their like heads are too big.
Oh, yes.
She does have a stand, see?
I was wondering why she had a whole
told ya.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, so she's got a little stand. Oh, they're cute. Good job. Good first unboxing, I reckon. I'll just have to mute the swear words. Oh, what's this scratch on top? Is that just like cardboard? I don't know what that is. I'm hoping it's cardboard. I'll get it off. Anyways, thank you. If you enjoy this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. And you actually got this very angry Northern English man to do a video.
Second video. Well, third video.
Third video. No, this is... Yeah, actually, no, it is the third video. Well, the other one got deleted, so... And that wasn't really my fault. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.